So hello and welcome to my channel. Today I've come to my nut field because I have to give waters to it. So let me first show you how nut fields look like. So this is the nut field. As you can see, this is more than 1 vega. So yeah. So let me take it this camera as close as possible. So this is the nut saplings. One more is here. So yeah. So I'm waiting for the waters to come in my field because the water will come. Let me show how the water will come from the summer. So let me show you. As you can see, this is the canal. So in this way, the water will come to my field, and yeah. So I'm gonna check whether the water is coming or not, because it's been a long time. Now it's still not coming to my field. Wow, let me check it. So look at that, how the water is coming to my field. Isn't it beautiful? It is beautiful. Look at that, how fast the water is coming. So let me show you one more thing, which is grass. I don't know what type of grass it is. It's very long. So let me show you that. So yeah, which I was talking about. Have you seen this kind of grass ever? Look at that. Look at that grass. I personally believe that it is somewhere from the outside. This grass I've never seen in my life. This kind of grass. This grass is planted because of the cows, so that cows can eat it. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show. It's 2 p.m. on the clock. Half of the work is done. I'm still hungry because since morning I only had snacks. After that I didn't eat anything. So it's 2 o'clock. Can you imagine? I'm hungry. I hope my mother will come here and bring some food. My mother has just brought food for me for the lunch. Now it's 2:40 on the clock. I'm having lunch in my nut field. Let me show you what my mother has brought for me. Look at that. Some rice and fish curry, neem leaves and pasta. So let me enjoy because I'm quite hungry. So see you after lunch. I have completed my lunch. I have a little more work to do and then I'll be heading towards my home. So yeah, see you after doing all my work. It's almost 4 o'clock and I've just done all my work. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure and consider subscribe and share this channel. Till then, thank you.